Hello, my name is Najwa Izzani with students number 222-122-107. Here I will explain the meaning of a tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor wave. It is a large wave caused by movements in Earth's outer layer or crust which move ocean water. For example, an earthquake or a volcano in the ocean could cause a tsunami. That's all I can say. Thank you.
My name is Anjar, and my student number is 222122094, and now I'm here going to explain how tsunamis are formed. Tsunamis are formed when there is a sudden and large displacement of water in the ocean, such as during an earthquake, volcanic eruption, or landslide. This displacement creates a series of waves that can travel across the ocean at high speeds, sometimes reaching up to 500 miles per hour. So, as the waves approach shallow waters near the shore, they slow down and their height increases, create the massive and destructive wall of water that we often associate with tsunamis. Tsunamis are typically caused by very large and sudden change in the seabed or coastline, which can displace a huge amount of water and generate the powerful waves. Thank you.
Greetings. My name is Moch Faris Nufal with students number of 191222142. Here I'm gonna explain on how tsunami actually can occur. Tsunami can occur in almost any body of water on Earth, especially around Nufal coastal area, which are highly vulnerable to the proximity of the tsunami source point, the depth and shape of the seabed near the coast, as well as the height and topography of the coast. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Krisna. My student's number is 222122113. Here I will explain about the impact of the tsunami. Tsunamis can cause massive flooding, damage to buildings and infrastructure, loss of life, and displacement of people. Large and powerful tsunamis can generate waves several meters high and damage buildings and essential infrastructure. Loss of life can be significant, especially in areas with high population densities of or poor warning system. The long-term impact of the tsunamis can be the loss of homes or livelihoods, as well as damage and unstable environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Kenken Sukma and my student's number is 222122103. I will explain about how do you know when a tsunami will occur. Tsunamis are devastating natural disasters that can cause widespread destruction, so it's important to know how to recognize the warning signs. Typically caused by undersea earthquakes, tsunamis can create massive waves that can travel hundreds of miles per hour and reach heights of up to 100 feet. To predict when a tsunami may occur, scientists monitor seismic activity in the Earth crust using specialized instruments that measure the strength and frequency of earthquakes. They also use ocean sensors to detect changes in water pressure and temperature, which can provide important information about the size and strength of the waves. In addition, in these monitoring techniques, official alerts from local authorities should also be heeded. It's important to pay attention to any unusual ocean activity, such as sudden water receding or unusual ocean noise, which can be indicator of an impending tsunami. While we cannot predict with certainty when a tsunami will occur, staying informed and taking appropriate precautions, such as following evacuation order, can help to minimize the potential harm from this powerful natural disaster.